Okay, that did the distance. Hi guys, I had planned to get on with my hovercraft project that I'm doing there, but I've just seen a picture on Pinterest of a rubber band powered car that I can't quite figure out how it works. It's got two discs. In the picture they're using drinking straws to link them together, but I'm going to use some bamboo skewers. It's got three of them. It's got a rubber band up the middle with a bead that's a bearing surface at one end, and it goes round in circles. But I can't figure out, there must be one more piece to it. I think it's one of those simple ones that just has a leg on the outside that drives it round. You wind up the rubber band on the inside, it goes over the leg, and as the leg tries to unwind, it pushes the wheel round the other way. So I think that's what it is, but I just can't see it in the picture. So I've just divided these up into three. I'll push some holes in them with my nice little pointy stick thing. Use that to put the bamboo skewers through. I've got some beads that we can use for the bearings. In fact, I might use a bent paperclip to go through the bead. A bit like a rubber band motor then, a model aeroplane motor. So, right. So this is just based on a picture I've seen that I can't understand how it works. So I'm just gonna put the bamboo skewers in just as links. It looks very much like the sort of thing you do with a cotton reel or a plastic canister, cylinder. I just can't see in the picture what it is, which is very frustrating. Right, need something to make the hole with. There's a bit of wood with some holes in it, that should do the job. So I'm just interested, I can't quite figure out how it works. So I'm going to do what I think it is. And see if that works. Did I already say these are wheels I'd cut from cardboard for a different project? Right, we don't want them sticking out at all if we've got to have a leg going around the outside. Right, beads and bent paperclip. Right, paper clips. That's one I've used before. Got hot glue on it that we don't want this time. Right. Right, a couple of beads. Better just check they don't, yeah, they don't go through, so yeah, that should be okay. So this is just my interpretation of the picture. I don't really know this is how it works. So that's my hook for the rubber band. I don't know if I needed 2 beads or just the 1. Right, so we'll wind up a rubber band that's going to go across the middle here, through here. Got a short bit of bamboo skewer there. So if we push this through, that on there. It's a little bit loose. Might end up having to glue bamboo skewers in place to stop them slipping. Because once we put some tension on here, that's going to pull it in, isn't it? So, absolutely no idea if this is what it was supposed to do. I think we're going to have to put some tape on there, aren't we, to stop it slipping. I couldn't quite make out in the picture whether one wheel was bigger than the other, because that would certainly make it go round in circles, which is what the picture was talking about. Right, which way is that going to go? That's going to push that wheel that way. Right, well that just works as an ordinary one of those cotton reel type cars. I can't see how the one in the picture goes round in circles. You'd actually have to have a bigger wheel on the outside there and a bigger wheel on the outside there, and if the wheels were connected to the rubber band, then they would go in opposite directions. That one would spin that way and that one would spin that way, and it would go round in circles. So we might have to do a second video. I'll just run this one as the old cotton reel style. I'll just let it run up and down the room so we can see it go. So we'll watch this go, but this is my misinterpretation of how something else worked. A little bit off to the right. Okay, that did the distance. Summary time. This is not what I intended it to be. I've clearly misinterpreted the picture that I looked at, but it does work. It works and it goes in a straight line, whereas the design I was looking at was supposed to spin round in circles. We got 3 bamboo canes or barbecue skewers, 2 cardboard wheels that I cut for a different project, another bamboo skewer there as the leg or the drive, a bent paper clip that goes round the leg to grip onto it, and then this side of it, it's bent into a hook for the rubber band. Got a plastic bead there as the bearing surface, and at this end we've got another bit of bamboo skewer that the rubber band hooks onto, and that's taped in place. Oh, and off it goes. Oh dear. But what I will do is I'll do another one of these, or at least I'll modify this one, and I'm going to put a bigger wheel on this end, and that should spin round while the rest of it tries to go in the opposite direction. That should make it go round in circles. But we'll leave that for the next episode.